In this tutorial you will learn how to fix sleep and hibernate don't work in Windows 11.
First open your Start menu and then type Control Panel. Open your Control Panel. Click on Hardware and Sound. Click on Power Options. Click on Change Plan Settings. Click on Change Advanced Settings. Expand PCI settings. Expand Link State Power Management. Click on Moderate Power Settings. Select Off. Press Apply and then OK. Close your control panel. If that didn't work, first open your Start menu and type CMD. Right-click Command Prompt and select Run as Administrator. Press Yes. Now type the following command. Press Enter. Type Exit and then press Enter. Now restart your PC. If that didn't work, first open Start and type CMD. Right-click Command Prompt and select Run as Administrator. Press Yes. Type sfc/scan now. Press Enter. Wait for Windows to be repaired. Type Exit and then press Enter.